G'day everyone, Luke here, and it's great to see you all again. I am impressed you've all made it to part 4. I did not expect this to have so many episodes, but this is the exciting part. The part we've all really been waiting for. The part where the van goes from being a tin box on wheels with a fancy floor to an actual campervan. Oh. Coming into this whole thing, I didn't really know anything about anything, and I had been learning it all along the way. Woodwork, I knew saw was a movie, and a hammer hit screws. But apart from that, not too much. So off to the tubes and the forums I went, and I read and learned and just gave it all a shot. There were mistakes and blemishes in my build, but unless you know about them, you won't notice. Well, you still might. And I spent ages learning how others had designed their cabinetry and how they used their space. And I even made a big Pinterest page full of ideas and inspiration. I've left a link to that page in the description box below, so hopefully it can help you out too, give you some ideas. Here were some of our must-haves in the build. It needed to be easy to build, nothing fancy, just a little bit pretty. It had to have a proper mattress. I decided long ago, no fold-out, blow-up or foam mattresses. We wanted a good night's sleep. It needed to have enough space to sit up in the bed. I did not want to emulate sleeping in a coffin. So no beds so high off of the floor that your face was smushed up against the ceiling. It had to have a fridge, leisure battery, and space for a couple days worth of clothes and food. And I needed a nook to keep some tools, oils, and jumper cables. The stuff that will save you, keep you from dying when you're out there camping. Then, whatever space was left over, jam whatever you could in it. As the years have gone by, I've added little bits and pieces here and there, and I'll go into what those are in a later video, but what we ended up with in this video was a great solid foundation, and we have been on a lot of camping trips with just this setup. I'm just so excited to show you. Enough dilly-daddling, on to part 3.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time.
Alrighty then.